Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Sprint Reader speed reading extension for Google Chrome. It should work for Microsoft Edge as well. So this could be used if you want to work on your speed reading skills, and you could use it on pretty much any website that has text. So all you need to do is install the extension by clicking on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Now it's here, and if you want to pin it, you could click on your extensions here and just click on the thumbtack. All right, so now when you go to a web page here, so let's say we're here, we want to practice on this text here, you could right click on it, Sprint Read Selected Text, and then it'll bring up a new box here, and all you gotta do is click on play, and you just read along with it to kind of improve your reading speed. You see it pauses between sentences there, periods and commas and so on. And then you could reset it or pause it, step forward, step back, load latest selection, so on. And then if you go here, it'll show you the content of what you highlighted there. And then it shows you your statistics as well. Total words, total segments. Settings, so if you want to change the how fast it goes, let's say we want to double it here. Save it. And now we play it. See that it's much faster there. Put that back to 300. And words per slide, color scheme. Some advanced setting, how long to pause after the commas and periods and paragraphs. Some highlighting options. And there's the shortcuts. So if you don't want to do the right-click Sprint Read Selected Text option, you could do these keyboard shortcuts and so on. So it's pretty cool. Nice little free app you could use to work on your speed reading. So I'll put a link in the description. You could download it, add it to your Chrome or Edge, and then try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.